One of the things I've discovered about life is you can only ever be yourself. You can't be anyone else. The key though is to become the best version of you that you can be. Hi, I'm Ewan, Master Trainer of NLP and author of the book It's Time. Today I want to tell you a little bit about our Introduction to NLP workshop. So why learn about NLP? Well, NLP is a codification of how people think, the language they use and how they produce their behaviour. Knowing this helps people to change and improve their lives and the lives of people around them, which is a rewarding experience both personally and professionally. NLP is used extensively in personal development, coaching, business, sports, politics, performing and therapy, and has been for more than 40 years. Many prominent influencers such as Oprah, Tony Robbins, Barack Obama and Russell Brand have used NLP to engage with and to captivate their audiences. They also used NLP to overcome their own limitations and to bring about success and positive transformation in their lives and the lives of others. This is because NLP is the study of what works. Some people have described it as an instruction manual for the mind. Growing up, we're mainly taught what to think, be that from our parents, teachers, religion, government or society. NLP teaches you how to think, not just what to think. On our Introduction to NLP workshop, I'll discuss many of the concepts upon which NLP is built. This will help you understand what NLP is, how it developed and what it can do for you. I'll also share a couple of useful tools which you'll be able to take away and use immediately. There'll also be time for a Q&A session, so you can ask me anything about the content and processes of NLP. That way you can feel confident about how NLP can work for you. I started my journey with NLP because I wanted to help and coach other people. NLP has allowed me to let go of the past and feel more self-assured in the present. Having these skills has helped thousands of my students to develop new ways of thinking. By doing so, they've transformed their careers, enhanced their relationships and grown into the best version of themselves that they can be. And now I want to share this knowledge with you. So take the next step to becoming the best version of you by joining me on our Introduction to NLP workshop.